Do you need to replace the LCD display assembly on your Dell Precision 5680? Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then use a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. I recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Now unscrew and disconnect the LCD cable and then remove the interposer board. Then unscrew and disconnect the LCD cable bracket. Then unscrew and bend back the left LCD hinge. Now unscrew and bend back the right LCD hinge. Then separate the LCD display assembly from the palm rest. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.